Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm telling you how to snipe on Axiom, a top trick for catching Solana token launches early and scoring big gains. It's fast-paced and takes some setup, but I'll make it simple. Guys, first to go to axiom.trade and sign in. Use a referral link from their X page or community if you're new. Connect your wallet. Phantom's a solid choice, or let Axiom generate one. Deposit some Solana into your Axiom wallet so you're ready to start trading. After that, head to the market or swap tab on the Axiom dashboard. Look for the migration sniper feature. It's usually under advanced tools or dedicated sniping section. This lets you spot tokens moving to Radium or other pools before they blow up. Set your buy amounts, for example 0.5 Solana for a test run. Adjust slippage to 100% for new launches since prices swing wild early on. Enable turbo pre-fire. If it's there, it fires your trade the second liquidity hits. You can also set an auto sell to lock profits or dodge rugs. Use Axiom filters, sort by near migration or low market cap to find fresh tokens. Check the bundle checker to avoid scams. It flags if the devs hoarding supply. Posts on X say the Twitter monitors clutch too. Watch for hype signals, but you'll need 5 Solana traded to unlock it. Hit the snipe button when your token's ready. Axiom's one-click buy is lightning fast. Watch your wallet. Trades confirm in seconds on Solana. If it moons, sell manually or let your auto sell kick in. If it flops, cut the losses quick. Sniping's high risk, high reward. That's how you snipe on Axiom. Set up target and strike fast. Practice with small amounts first to get the hang of it. Got the snipe win? Share it in the comments. Like and subscribe for more crypto hacks. See you next time, guys.